Grand Prairie's home. It'll always be my home. I lived there for well over 20 years, and it's given me everything I have in life, so I'm very excited to be able to give back.
There's a tremendous shortage of skilled trades professionals across the country. I think we're very fortunate in our region is that we have prospective students or people who are interested who want to go into a skilled trade. I mean, you don't have to look too far across the street or out any window to see how important the skilled trades are to our region. So the partnership with CDN is what sets NWP apart, and so having an industry partner with us to revitalize the learning spaces, have real-world technology and problems that the students can mess up on, to be honest, and learn from. And then it gives confidence to our instructors that they're teaching current practices on current equipment that they're going to go out into the workforce and use. And it also gives industry, and CDN in this case, the confidence that NWP is truly preparing graduates for the workforce for when they're done.
Young talent and tradespeople fuel our business, and without them we don't have a business. There's so many opportunity in the trades and so many opportunities within CDN. We still need qualified tradespeople in the field, and the demand has never been higher.
We've seen the growth. We continue to see the demand for further growth. So the centre will allow us to take 288 electrical students a year, and they'll all use the lab in different ways. And then we've also got our electrician students working closely with our instrumentation and controls tech students, who work closely with our power engineering students, who work closely with millwright, who work closely with welding, right? And so really, creating that almost interdisciplinary environment for a variety of skilled trades programs. And it all starts in the wing where the electrical labs are.
Yeah, I mean, this is very surreal. 15 years ago we started the business in a one-bay shop, and now we're giving a donation to the college to encourage people to get into the trades. And for CDN and the Hoffman family of companies, this is a testament of a true partnership and what we can do together.
To me, it highlights that CDN has confidence in what we are doing and what we are doing to provide education and training to students, how we're expanding skilled trades, and how we're aligning our programs to the industry needs in the region. So we're really proud to have the CDN Electrical Education Centre and to have that pathway and visibility for students to see that it's a local industry who's partnered with NWP, and from education through their apprenticeship, through graduation and employment, there is a clear pathway.